Are you looking for best backpacking stove? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best backpacking stove. Number 1. Best Widesea Camping Burner Gas Stove. Stable frame structure. Frame material stainless steel, good load bearing, triangular support frame, stable structure, can adapt to outdoor ground. The support surface is large after the bracket is unfolded, which is suitable for most camping pots. The support frame can be folded, the upper and lower support frames can be folded, and the storage volume is small and easy to carry. High power, full combustion, power 3500W, large flame blue. Full combustion, fast cooking speed, boiling 500 milliliters water in room temperature environment only takes 1 minute and 45 seconds, suitable for various scenarios: camping, picnic, hiking, self-driving, cycling, fishing, outdoor team building. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Newest arrival Widesea gas stove, high power output. With an output of 8800W, this gas stove is perfect for camping and outdoor activities, providing ample heat and power to cook and warm up. Material. Stainless steel. Made of durable stainless steel, this gas stove is built to last and withstand the wear and tear of outdoor activities. The split structure of this gas stove makes it easy to transport and store, making it a convenient and practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. WESTTUNE Portable Folding Cassette Gas Burner. This gas stove is 2670W, perfect for camping, picnics, and travel. Portable foldable. This gas stove is light in weight and easy to carry, making it perfect for outdoor activities. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 4. Latest outdoor portable 3-head stove. Name: Camping 3-head burner. Material: stainless steel, copper, aluminum. Style: outdoor, tourism, hiking, camping, picnic. Type: camping equipment, camping supplies. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 5. APG Backpacking Stove. The stove body and the 230G gas tank can be put into the pot, all into a free stuff sack. Save more space for your backpack. This set does not include a fuel canister, but is compatible with most canisters except the Coleman fuel canisters. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.